What if I told you that money is not the problem? Your brain is. Two people can have the same skills, the same education, even the same opportunities, yet one struggles financially while the other builds wealth effortlessly. The difference is how they think. Today, I'll show you how to train your brain to make more money, not by working harder, but by thinking smarter. If you're tired of struggling financially, this video could change your life. Watch till the end because the final principle is what separates broke thinkers from wealthy thinkers. Part 1. Understand this truth about money. Money is a result of mindset, not luck. Your brain is your financial operating system. If the system is faulty, income will always be limited. Wealth is built mentally before it's built physically. Example, a poor mindset says money is hard to make. A rich mindset says money is attracted to value. If your thinking doesn't change, your income won't change. Part 2. Reprogram your money beliefs. Your brain has been programmed since childhood. Common limiting beliefs. Money is evil. Rich people are greedy. People like me don't get rich. I'm not good with money. These beliefs quietly block financial growth. How to reprogram them. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. X. Money is hard to make. Check. Money flows to those who solve problems. Daily brain training exercise. Say out loud every morning, I am financially intelligent. I deserve abundance. Money works for me. Repetition trains the brain. Part 3. Shift from consumer thinking to creator thinking. Poor brains consume. Rich brains create. Consumer mindset. What can I buy? What can I spend on? What can I enjoy now? Creator mindset. What can I build? What problem can I solve? What value can I offer? Example, a consumer scrolls social media for fun. A creator uses social media to build a brand, sell a skill, share value, monetize attention. Money follows creators, not consumers. Part 4. Train your brain to see opportunities. Your brain finds what it is trained to look for. Poor thinkers see problems, complaints, excuses. Rich thinkers see gaps, needs, opportunities. Opportunity training method. Ask yourself daily, what problem do people complain about? How can I solve it? Who's willing to pay for this solution? Example, people complain about stress. Sell relaxation products. Weight gain. Sell fitness solutions. Loneliness. Sell community or coaching. Idea. Every problem is money in disguise. Part 5. Delay gratification, the wealth skill. Your brain must learn to sacrifice now for rewards later. Poor brain wants money fast, spends instantly, avoids discipline. Rich brain thinks long-term, reinvests profits, builds systems. Example, poor thinker buys a new phone. Rich thinker buys a skill that earns income. Train your brain to ask, will this cost me money or make me money? Part 6. Upgrade your inputs. Your brain is shaped by what you feed it. Low-income inputs, gossip, negative news, complaints, entertainment only. High-income inputs, business content, finance education, motivation, skill development. Daily rule, 30 minutes learning, 30 minutes creating. Less time consuming nonsense. Better inputs equals better financial outputs. Part 7. Associate with money thinkers. Your income is influenced by your environment, your conversations, your circle. If everyone around you hates money, fears risk, mocks ambition, your brain will stay small. Train your brain by following wealthy thinkers online, listening to business podcasts, studying successful people. Proximity programs the brain. Part 8.
Think in systems, not salary. Salary thinking is, how much do I earn per month? System thinking is, how many income streams do I have? Train your brain to build digital products, services, businesses, investments. Idea: money grows when systems work without you. Conclusion: your financial future depends on how you train your brain today. Remember, change thinking, change actions. Change actions, change income. Change income, change life. Like this video if you learned something valuable. Subscribe for more mindset and money content. Comment, I am training my brain for wealth. This is Glorious Destiny reminding you, when your mind grows, your money follows.